See?
Do it again. What is so funny? I see.
Tifton, hold my hand. Can I have one of them? No.
Tifton, share with Sissy, please.
Can I have one?
Tifton, share with Sissy. Sissy shares with you. You need to share with Sissy. Tifton. Tifton, give your sister one. Oh, do it. Tifton, you need to give Sissy. Tifton, you need to give Sissy a piece of your snack. You need to share. There you go. Good job.
Can I have one off your snack? Ow! See, you look like some milk! Ow! Something, can I have one of your snack?
Give Sissy one, Tifton. Yes. Share with Sissy.
I share with him. But why would he not share with me?
He's learning how to share, sweetie. Tifton, give Sissy a piece.
Thank you.
There you go. Good work. Sissy, thank you for using your manners and saying thank you.
Upside down or upside down? Nothing.
I think he wants you to do your hand again.